How to get hair removal wax out of clothes. Picture this. You just finished waxing, feeling smooth, confident. And then, boom! Wax drips all over your favorite shirt. Flushed face. Now you're thinking, is this ruined forever? Hold on, don't touch it yet. Because what you do in the next 2 minutes either saves it completely, or makes it 10 times worse. And the first thing most people reach for? That's exactly what destroys it. No fancy products. No store run. Just 3 steps using things sitting in your house right now. First, we clean the spill without spreading it further. Then, there's an iron trick that pulls wax straight out of the fabric. Sounds weird, actually works. And finally, that greasy stain most people leave behind? Gone. Stay till the end because I've got 5 warnings that most people find out too late, and one of them is probably a mistake you'd make without knowing. Let's go. Welcome to Best Choices. This video will tell you how to cleaning up the spill, using an iron, and cleaning up the residue. Now let's get started. Method 1. Cleaning up the spill. Number 1. Let the wax set. If you've spilled body wax, you probably want to deal with it right away. Don't be in a rush, though, allow the wax to cool until it hardens. For smaller stains, this might only take 10 to 15 minutes, but big spills might need a couple of hours to fully set. If the wax is still warm when you start cleaning, you might spread it around, creating a bigger mess. If the wax is really hot, you could even burn yourself. Number 2. Speed up the cooling process with ice if you'd like. If you're treating a small spill, try rubbing an ice cube over the area to quickly harden the wax. If the wax covers a larger area, place some ice in a plastic bag and put that on top of the spill for 20 to 30 minutes or until the wax is cool. You can also just pop the garment into the freezer if you prefer. This is a good option if you're working with soft wax, which can be a little harder to scrape off of the fabric. Soft body wax melts between 85 to 104 degrees Fahrenheit, 29 to 40 degrees Celsius, which is lower than hard body wax or candle wax, so it won't be as hard at room temperature. Number 3. Rub small drips with vegetable oil to remove them. After the wax has cooled, lay your garment out flat. Use your fingers or a paper towel to cover any smaller wax drips with oil, then work the oil into the spill until the wax breaks up and dissolves. Use a cloth or paper towel to wipe away any waxy residue, then blot up the excess oil. If you only had a few small splatters, this may be all you need to do to get your garment clean. If so, wash the item like you normally would. If any oil is left after the first wash, work some detergent into the area, then wash it again. Number 4. Scrape off large wax spills with a dull blade. Once the wax has hardened, grab a butter knife, old credit card, spoon, or any other item with a dull edge. Work that edge under the wax and pry it up and away from the fabric. Try to remove as much of the hardened wax as you can this way. If you're working with a smooth fabric like jersey, the wax might come up easily in one big piece. If it's a textured fabric, like a knit sweater, you might have to chip away at it. Wax tends to leave behind an oily stain, so don't worry if you see some discoloration. It should come out when you wash the item. If there's still wax left behind, keep reading to learn how to melt it with an iron. Otherwise, skip to washing the item. Did this video help you? Let's comment below, yes or no. Method 2. Using an iron. Number 1. Place an old towel or sheet on your ironing board. When the wax melts, it could seep through the garment and onto your ironing board. It could then transfer to the next item you press. Putting down a towel or sheet first will keep that from happening. Be sure to use something old so you won't mind if it gets wax on it. Use parchment paper as an alternative to a towel or a sheet. Number 2. Place the garment on the board and cover it with another towel. Make sure the wax side is facing up. Then, cover the wax with a double layer of paper towels or another old towel. You could also use a plain brown paper bag. If you're using a bag that's printed, cut it open and place the plain side against the garment. Otherwise, the heat from the iron could cause the ink to transfer to the fabric. Number 3. Iron over the spot on medium heat. Run the iron back and forth over the paper towels or cloth until the wax starts to melt. The towels or cloth should absorb the melted wax. Don't leave the iron in one place too long, though, or it could scorch the fabric. If you don't have an iron, use your hairdryer instead. Set it to high heat and run the air back and forth over the spill until the wax melts. Number 4. Keep switching to a clean cloth until the wax is gone. Once the wax has melted, lift your cloth and fold it in half, then place it back down so a clean surface is over the wax. If the cloth you're using gets covered in wax, replace it with a new one. If you're using paper towels, keep replacing the paper towels as needed until you've absorbed all of the wax. Did this video help you? Let's comment below, yes or no. Method 3. Cleaning up the residue. Number 1. Rub laundry detergent into the stain for a gentle clean. If you have liquid detergent, pour it directly onto the stain. If you prefer powdered detergent, sprinkle it onto the area, and add enough water to make a thin paste. Then, work the detergent into the fabric and let it sit for about 2 hours. You could also use a stain pre-treating solution or oxygen bleach. Number 2. Use a solvent like acetone or alcohol on durable fabrics. Tough fabrics like denim and canvas can hold up if you use a harsher cleaner to get rid of the oil left behind by your body wax. Just dab acetone or isopropyl alcohol onto the stain with a cotton ball. Then, wash the garment with detergent like you normally would. Do not use acetone on synthetic fabrics like acetate or mod acrylic or they'll dissolve. Number 3. Wash the garment in warm water and hang it up to dry. Oily stains dissolve better in warmer water, so check the care label on your garment and wash it on the hottest setting recommended for that fabric. Once it's been washed, air dry the item, then check the spot. If the stain is still there, wash it again until it's gone. Don't put the item into the dryer until you're sure the oil is gone or the stain will get set in, making it harder to remove. Did this video help you? Let's comment below, yes or no. Tips. 1. Let the wax fully harden before acting. Patience here is critical. If you try to clean wax while it's still soft or warm, it will smear deeper into the fabric fibers, making the stain larger and harder to remove. Allow it to cool naturally or speed up the process using ice. Hardened wax sits on top of the fabric, which makes it much easier to lift off cleanly. 2. Use ice strategically for faster results. If you're in a hurry, applying ice, preferably in a plastic bag, helps solidify the wax quickly without soaking the fabric. This is especially useful for soft body wax, which has a lower melting point and tends to stay sticky at room temperature. The colder and firmer the wax becomes, the cleaner your removal process will be. 3. Remove bulk wax gently with a dull edge. Always use a butter knife, spoon, or old card to scrape off hardened wax. The goal is to lift, not grind, the wax out of the fabric. Work slowly and carefully to avoid damaging fibers. Removing as much wax as possible at this stage reduces the effort needed later and prevents spreading during heat treatment. 4. Use heat plus absorption, iron trick, for deep cleaning. The iron method is highly effective because it melts the wax and transfers it onto an absorbent material like paper towels or cloth. Keep the heat moderate and constantly moving to avoid burning the fabric. Replacing the absorbent layer frequently ensures the wax doesn't reattach to the garment. 5. Treat the oily residue properly before washing. Wax almost always leaves behind an oil stain. Pre-treat this area with detergent or a suitable stain remover and allow it to sit for at least 1 to 2 hours. For tougher fabrics, solvents like alcohol or acetone can help break down the grease. Proper pre-treatment ensures the stain doesn't remain after washing. Warnings. 1. Never clean wax while it's still hot. This is the most common mistake. Warm wax spreads instantly and penetrates deeper into fibers, turning a small spill into a permanent stain. It can also cause burns if handled too soon. Always wait until it hardens completely. 2. Avoid using sharp tools for scraping. Using knives or sharp objects can easily damage or tear the fabric, especially delicate materials. Even if it seems faster, it risks ruining the garment permanently. Stick to dull, flat-edged tools for safe removal. 3. Don't apply high heat directly to fabric. Excessive heat from an iron or hairdryer can scorch the fabric or set the stain permanently. Always use a barrier like cloth or paper towels and keep the heat at a moderate level. Constant movement is key, never leave heat in one spot. 4. Be careful with solvents on sensitive fabrics. Chemicals like acetone can dissolve or damage synthetic fabrics such as acetate or mod acrylic. Always check the garment label before applying any strong solvent. When in doubt, test on a hidden area first. 5. Never put the garment in the dryer too soon. Heat from a dryer can permanently set any remaining oil stain, making it nearly impossible to remove later. Always air dry first and inspect the fabric carefully. If any stain remains, repeat the cleaning process before using a dryer. Did this video help you? Let's comment below, yes or no. And that's it. Wax on the shirt? Gone. Oily residue? Gone. Friendship saved? Absolutely. If this helped you out, do me a quick favor, hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss the next rescue mission.